Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video I'll be showing you how I made my amazing cream potatoes with gravy and pork chops. So let's get started. Okay, so here I'm showing you all the seasons I'm using. The Italian season, the basilese, garlic powder, and meat tenderizers. First of all, I'm going to put some white vinegar over it, and that just helps to tenderize it also, and it gives it that special flavor to it. And I probably just use maybe a half a cup over it. It just depends on you. And here I'm just sprinkling, not a whole lot. I'm just sprinkling a little each season over it. Okay, so here I have flipped it over, and I'm using my same season that I used on the other side. Okay, so now I have finished with my season. Now I'm gonna put it over in any kind of plastic container that you got a top to it so you can seal it. And I like to let it set for a little bit while I'm doing my other cooking. But if you like to do it the night before, that'll be great because all those seasons will be in it. Now, now here is my potatoes. I'm getting ready to cook them, and they are boiling here. I let them boil until they get real soft and tender. After that, I'm just kind of mashing them up. And I'm using my fork now. If you got a potato masher, hey, go for it. And here I'm putting my pepper and salt, just sprinkling some in, and it's just to your taste. And I put a little butter, and I'm still adding my same season that I used in the on the pork chop, but don't use the tenderizer. Just use your basil and your Italian season and your garlic season, and salt and pepper to your taste. Okay, so I'm also going to use some sour cream. Probably about 2 tablespoons, maybe three. It just depends on how soft you want it to be. Now I'm using that just for the cream of it, because I'm also going to use some sweet milk. You can use whatever kind of milk that you use. You can use the 2%, 1%, whatever kind they got out there. But I like to use the whole milk. Here I'm just kind of mixing everything together, and it's looking really good. Oh wow, this is going to be so good. Okay, so we done with that. Okay, so now we're getting ready to cook our pork chops. I have already cut up my onion, and I'm letting it saute in the skillet. Let it cook just a little bit. And then after which, I'm going to go ahead and put my pork chop in. And I'm going to let it cook on both sides until done. But you don't want to overcook it because you're going to put it in your gravy also. And I did use about a half a cup of onion to your taste. Okay, so my pork chops looking good. See how nice and brown it is on the edges and everything. That looks so delicious. So I think we're gonna go ahead and take them out and get ready to fix our gravy. So here I'm using about 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm just putting it in the same skillet that I cook my pork chops to get that good old juicy flavor in it. Here I'm just kind of stirring it up, and make sure you cook this on low heat. Don't cook it on high, cook it on low. Now here I'm using chicken broth. Now that's the only thing I had on hand, but you can use beef broth or whatever one it'll be just fine. It'll taste just great. So here I'm just continue adding my beef, my chicken broth to my skillet. And how much you use, it just depends on how thick or how thin you want your gravy. I want mine to be kind of thin. I don't like the real thick gravy, but if you like thick gravy, hey, go ahead and do it. And I'm just keep stirring and stirring it because you don't want it to lump up. So you just keep stirring your gravy over low heat. Okay, so now I'm adding a little salt and pepper to it. But don't add too much salt because you don't want your the gravy to be salty. And if you do, just make sure you taste it as you cook it because you don't want it to be too salty. And here I'm putting a little gatti powder in it. And it's just to your taste. And I'm keep stirring it. Okay, so here I'm adding a little soy sauce to it. Um, just a tab, not a little bit, maybe about a teaspoon of soy sauce, and just keep stirring it. We just about done with our gravy. Okay, so our pork chop and gravy is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that over in my skillet. And make sure that you go ahead and put it on each side. Just flip it over in the gravy. Okay, so here we putting the pork chops in the gravy. And like I said, I'm so sorry that I didn't use that footage to show you how I did it. But yeah, just flip it over in the gravy, and but you don't have to put it in the gravy. It's up to you. I mean, if you just like to serve it just like that, you can. You don't have to put it in the gravy. Now here I am getting ready to fix my husband plate. I'm just putting my mashed potatoes in it. Don't that looks delicious? Um, and also I went on and fixed some whole kernel corn. I went on and fixed that to go with the meal. Um, but you can use green beans or whatever, or peas, whatever you want to use on the side dish. But I just thought corn would go fitting for this dinner. Okay, so here I'm showing you my pork chops and gravy. Don't that just look so delicious? My goodness. And it smells so good, so good. And I didn't tell y'all when you get ready to smother it in the gravy, just let it stay in there maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to let it stay long until you finish doing what you're doing. But everything looks so delicious, and I just enjoy bringing this video to y'all. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put a little gravy in my potatoes. Now you can use rice also. rice would go good with gravy. So if you like the rice, sometimes I fix rice with it for our pork chops and gravy. Okay, so don't this look so delicious? I wish y'all could taste it. It is good, good. Now, my husband's getting ready to cut into it, and he seemed like he's going to enjoy it. I'm letting him taste it, and he did say it was good. So, thank y'all for joining me today. I really enjoyed bring this video to you all. And I'm kind of old school. I like to use the old recipes and all of that. And I thank y'all for just taking our time to watch this video. And we'll see y'all the next time on Home with Miss Betty. And y'all have a blessed day. Have a safe day. And we love y'all so much. And God love you too. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.